Today I'm going to teach you how to split a strip into columns in Wix. This is a super useful feature when you want to organize content side by side on your website, like placing images next to text or creating multi-column layouts that look professional and balanced. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to your website settings and editing tools. From here, you can preview the website settings you have. Make sure that this is the website you wish to split strips into columns. It's always a good idea to double-check you're working on the right site, especially if you manage multiple projects. From this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll find it on the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the full website editor where you can make all your design changes. Click on Design Site and you'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. From here, locate the strip you wish to split into columns and click on it to select it. Strips are the horizontal sections that run across your page, and they're the foundation for organizing your content. Once selected, you'll see a layout menu on the top part of the strip. Click on it and a strip layout menu will appear. This menu gives you various options for customizing how your strip is structured. From here, you'll see an Add Column option. Click on it to split this whole strip into columns. You can add as many columns as you wish to, depending on how you want to organize your content. This flexibility allows you to create complex layouts without needing any coding skills. And that's it. You've successfully split your strip into columns in Wix, giving you more control over your website's layout and design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.